So once I have my document finished and ready to go, I'm going to move this over a little bit to make sure it doesn't interfere with the margin. I can save my file. Now, if I wanted to save this as a PDF, I could go down to Export and then click Create PDF. That's free to save a file as a PDF. But I don't necessarily have to do that to get it into my notebook. So I'm going to follow the directions Lori sent out and click Print. Choose OneNote for Windows 10 and click Print. Then it should open OneNote if I don't already have it opened. I'm going to go to my test class and teams, content library, using the content library. Okay. Now, right now it's called Printout, so I probably want to give it a more meaningful name, like whatever I'm going to call it. So now that it's in my notebook, I can go to Teams and I can create an assignment. So in Teams, I go to my class that I want to make the assignment in, go to the Assignments tab, and I'm going to create a new assignment since I am creating it from a Word document. I don't want to choose the quiz option. So create assignment. Whatever I want the title of my assignment to be. I can add a category if I have them set up. Okay, so my resource is that file that I just created in the notebook. So I'm going to click Class Notebook, Content Library, using the Content Library, and where was that assignment? In my class notebook that I set up, these were the sections that I created. So I'm going to put this one under assignments since it's an assignment I'm giving them to do. I can assign a point value, and then I need to also put in the due date. I only have one channel, so I'll just post it in my general channel and I will assign. And let's see where that is. The assignment. So there's the alert that it went out to my team. I'll log in as a student so you can see what that looks like. So now I'm signed in as a student account in Teams, and I can see that I have something under the assignments there for sure. So the assignment posts in the General tab, but the student can also see it under Assignments. So 2 different ways to get to the same place. So the instructions are here. The student can use the immersive reader to read to them. And opening the assignment here. So there's the title that I gave it, and the directions say to use the Draw tab. So I can do that. Draw my lines. There is an eraser. It's not perfect. But I'm pretty sure they can undo if they make a mistake. Yes, they can Control Z if they accidentally draw the line to the wrong place. So close and turn in. So that's what it would look like from the student side of things. There's something else I wanted to show you as far as putting pictures in your documents. So I would go to Insert. If I already had a picture on my computer, I would choose Pictures. If I don't, I can search through Bing to find some pictures, or if I have any saved on my OneDrive. I don't know if there will be any pictures that go along with this topic, but here we go. So what do I want to pick here? This looks like fun. I'll select the picture, or you can select more than one picture if you need to. Creative Commons only. Make sure that they are not copyright protected, so you should be safe if you're searching this way. Insert. So you can see the picture is right in the middle. It inserts wherever your cursor was. So what I usually do with my picture layout, you can find on the picture, or you also get a new toolbar up at the top for formatting pictures, is the text wrapping. I always like to use tight, and you can pretty much drag it anywhere you need to. The corner sizing handles resize proportionately so that you can pretty much put the picture wherever you want in your document. And then again, you have some formatting options here. You want to give it a frame to make it stand out, whatever you need to do, or you can keep it simple. There's some picture effects that you can go through. Picture borders you can change, the color, whatever you need to do. There's some different things here that I've never experimented with before, but you can certainly check them out and see what works best for you. And if you see this anchor, so this picture was anchored up here, which sometimes can wreak havoc on your alignment. But you can choose to fix position on page instead of move with text, and then you should really be able to drag it into the margins even if you need to. but you have to watch out for that little anchor because sometimes it can go where you don't want it to go. And then there are some options over here as far as colors go and artistic effects. There's just a lot to see here. If you are layering, again, you're going to need to use these buttons here. If you accidentally move your picture, you can always undo or Control Z, or you can use that select arrow on the Home tab. If your pictures get in the wrong order or something disappears, you can just press delete on your keyboard with the picture selected to get it out of there if it's not what you want, or you can even just click the change picture button and you can find a different picture for your document.